Hey, Cameron McKenzie here at CameronMCNZ on Twitter, and I just wanted to show you how you can set the screen resolution for your robots. If it's defaulting to 800 by 600, I'll show you how you can make that 1080p or 4K. If you want to change the screen resolution with which your robots are running, the first place you'll want to go to make some changes is see program data slash UiPath, not program files, program data slash UiPath. And you'll notice there's a file called UiPath.settings. I always make a backup of it before I edit it. That's just a good pragmatic practice. And you notice if you dig into this file, you should have login to console true because you're going to have the robot logging into the console for you. And then you'll see resolution width and resolution height. Now they actually default to 0. I've changed them to 1920 by 1080p, but they default to 0. And 0 means just use the resolution that's available in the system that you connect to. And if you connect to virtual machines, quite often that just defaults to 800 by 600, which messes things up. So you might want to set things there. Now, that's sort of a general setting. Like that's going to apply to all of your projects there. So you might want to override that on a per robot basis. So you can always go into UiPath Orchestrator. Here I am, I'm logged in. You can go down to robots, find your robot, and then click edit. And then in robot, you've got description and you've got settings as well. So what you want to do is you want to go down and find that resolution width and resolution height settings and put a non-zero number in there. And then that will override what's in the settings file. So there you go. Those are the two different ways that you can change the resolution with which your unintended robots run. And there you go. That's how you set the screen resolution for your robots. Now, if you enjoyed that tutorial, why don't you head over to theserverside.com. I'm the editor-in-chief over there. We've got lots of great articles on UiPath, automation, DevOps, and enterprise software. If you're interested in my personal antics, I'm at CameronMCNZ on Twitter, and subscribe on YouTube.